Hey, it is December 27th, and here is a hoop house update. So it has been doing quite well out here. It's been maintaining on the very cold nights to about 34 degrees, and during the day it will, if it's sunny, it'll go up to about 60 or 70 degrees in here. So the plants have been doing very well. Today what I'm doing is I am taking and harvesting the second harvest of radishes and my first harvest of beets, and I just have reseeded both of those two beds with more radish and some green lettuce, because the green lettuce seems to do just a little bit better than the beets are doing right now. I think it's a little too cold for the beets really to take off. But let me give you a quick tour of the beet harvest and the radish harvest and the new beds that have been planted. All right, see you in a second. All right, don't mind the little bit of mess. As I said, I'm harvesting and cleaning, but on this side, my onions that I started from seed are doing great. My garlic's doing fabulous. As I call it, my lettuce lane with both red and green lettuce is doing fabulous, and I just keep doing harvest as you go. I had a huge salad for the holidays several times over, and it continues to grow. The arugula that I cut back quite a bit about almost 2 weeks ago has already recouped and shooting up some more arugula that I've been using. My Napa cabbage, some of it is getting a little frozen. I think I'm just going to go ahead and harvest all of that today. My arugula is still continuing to grow back there. My turnips doing fine. My spinach doing great. I think I'm going to pull my celery because it's just very sad. My carrots are continuing to grow well. Again, they haven't shouldered yet. I'm just going to leave them in the ground and let them see how they go. Here is my harvest, my second harvest of radishes, and these are the French breakfast radishes. They did fabulous. They're probably the queen of the Nile on this one in terms of the fall and cold hoop growing. I just reseeded all of this with radish for my third crop, and then just reseeded all of this back here for a next crop of lettuce. So it is going quite well, quite pleased with it. All right, just finished up all my work in the hoop house and got some great harvest. French breakfast radishes, beets, Napa cabbage, and I will say, so far, the experiment of the hoop house is doing quite well, better than I expected. I expected everything to be frozen already by now and not actually harvesting and seeding. So double thumbs up on the hoop house so far. And we'll see as we go through the next month to 2 months when it gets quite cold here in Zone 5 to see if we're just as successful. All right, see you on the next video. Bye-bye now.